What's up guys, Simon here from Survival Project. Today we're heading deep into the backcountry here and I took two guys with me. They're in front, so now we're gonna head deep inside and try to find perfect place for the shelter. So we chose this place here for the shelter, and we're going to make 3 lean-tos, and they'll be all connected together. And in front here we'll make fire reflector, and we'll close any gaps from the sides. So we'll now start to build the shelters. Tree, which are perfect for the bed. Now I'm going to cut these branches here so that nothing sticks me in my back. And the good thing is it's still green. It fell here because of the floods. So now I'm gonna put the bed mat here and the tarp over here so that we reduce cutting. So as you can see, this all is dead. So a good place about raised bed is that you have place here for storage, so you can organize your stuff nicely. So my shelter is pretty much done. He's also finishing his, and I only have to close this side here. This one is in progress. This one looks very nice. We are all raised, as you can see, and I'm gonna put my dog back here. I'm going to also raise it, put a blanket so he'll be behind me and he'll be very warm. I also rolled this up, so in case of rain I'm just gonna pull it out. He's also doing the same thing. He's also going to roll this up, and now we're going to build here reflector, light a fire, and then just enjoy. So everything is pretty much done now. We made a reflector here, the beds are ready, and I made this extended roof here, and you can see I placed one branch from the inside, and so now we have to light the fire and collect firewood for the night. A lot. light is going out pretty quickly right now because we're in the woods and sun is already down because there is one mountain in front of us, and this might look like enough firewood, but it isn't. We are always wrong about quantity of the wood, so we'll get 3 times like this. And also we use this small fire just for the cooking and leave it like this small, and when we go to sleep then we will start to get a bigger fire. Also on the way here we found these, and we found a few 12 gauge shells. We also found a lot of trash around here from the hunters, so we'll also collect that, put in the bag and take it home. For the dinner, beans with sausage. Started to rain 1 hour ago, and our fire just died, so hopefully it will stop until morning. Good night, folks. Good morning, guys. It was a very nice night, very warm, even though there was no fire. And it just started to snow, so we're gonna quickly pick our stuff. I have to get my dog in the car as fast as possible, then I come back here to clean this area. So thank you all for watching and being with us, and we will see you next time. Just to show you something interesting. How did this rock got here? Let's check this out. And the answer is from up there. As you can see, there are a lot of them, so we were lucky